Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Reserve it now and get a free credit. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Samsung yesterday unveiled a teaser of the new Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup, which I already talked about in my previous video, and new official reservation is here from Samsung. Moreover, we have some news about display. Now, Samsung on their official website listed reserve the next Galaxy smartphone, and if you are a fan of Galaxy Tab, then Tab S8 is also available for reservation. Now, what does reservation do? Before moving on, if you like the content, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which variant you want to buy, Exynos or Snapdragon. First, you will get extra $50 Samsung credit, which is my personal opinion is very good because according to the leaks, Samsung may not include 45 watt of fast charging in the box, so you can get using this credit to buy 45 watt of fast charger with this credit. Samsung also mentioned that there are more offers coming in the pre-orders. Second, after getting into pre-orders queue, you will get your hands on new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra a lot earlier than other people who are getting after that. You can do the same with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. A leak that was about Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra display that it may have 1750 nits peak brightness, but a new leak came up that it probably confirms that Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will have 1500 nits peak brightness, just like its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The display will have a Quad HD Plus resolution, 6.8 inches 2x dynamic AMOLED display capable of going from 1Hz to 120Hz depend on situation. And a leak we were talking about the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a 1TB of storage is now looking more like a wishful thing because after that leak we didn't receive any confirmation and there's no price reveal of that top end model. Let's see what Samsung will do about this. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which variant you want to buy, Exynos or Snapdragon. Till then, take care, peace out.